These are the top 5 terrifying bird sounds that don't even sound real. If you heard one of these in the dark, bro, you'd just accept your fate. And comment which one made your soul leave. Like and subscribe for a full week of insane luck. First up, the lyrebird. It mimics chainsaws, alarms, and even crying babies. Next, the shoebill stork. Sounds like a machine gun and stares into your soul. Then, the harpy eagle. Its scream sounds like a jungle monster. After that, the common loon. A ghostly wail that echoes across lakes. Finally, the barn owl.